We have regressed again. Longshot's way over there. Warren is right here. Oh, at least I can count on Warren. I mean, because he gets pretty close. It hurts my feelings that Longshot's so far away, but it is what it is. Oh, look at that. Look how cute Warren is. Oh, thanks, Warren, for making me feel better. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Are you gonna lay all the... Oh, where are you going? Oh, you decided you didn't want to lay down? Okay. Or maybe you do. Oh, you're gonna be a kitty loaf? That's cute. Are you gonna come any closer, Longshot? How about for treats? I have treats. Oh, look at that. There you go. Yay, look at that. He came closer. Okay. Oh. And there's Warren. He's like, where's my treats? Well, of course you get treats. Let's see if Longshot will come closer again for more treats. There you go. Aw. Cute kitty. Oh, poor Longshot. Still skittish. Still shy. But at least he'll come for treats.